bank. Since you know what is that.
After this one, they can see
No, don't. Why are you choosing the day that we're choosing? No, you're going to
The plight of the workers of FCT is bad. That's what I will say. It's very bad since the inception of this administration. Since 2022, the staffs have been going through so many troubles. And we've tried to call the attention of the management, but in particular the FCT administration, the FCT minister, because he's the only one that can resolve these issues. But he has refused to meet with the union. And I believe the union is the main stakeholder of FCT, of any organization. Meet with us and let's let you know the problems of the administration. But he has refused to meet with us. We have issue of promotion, which was conducted, and so many failures, as I told you. Yes, as a result of the FCT Service Commission, the chairman, the man, I don't know, we want him removed because he has been a problem. He's incompetent, he's not listening to staff. And that office is supposed to be held by an administrator, but not a politician or an engineer that has never worked with any. He has never been a civil servant. So it was a mass failure of this promotion. And the promotion we are talking about is 2024 promotion. We still have outstanding of 2025. You understand? And you have mass failure even when we were discussing with the management, telling them that this promotion was not supposed to be like this. But it was, they did not listen to us.
Our demands are no remittance of our pension to the pension fund administrators, issues with our national housing funds deduction and remittances, unpaid promotion areas, no training and retraining of staff, intimidation by certain of our staff by certain senior officers in the system, no threshold financial autonomy for our permanent secretaries and head of SDAs. The list are so many. Mass failure of just concluded CBT examinations. Yeah, non-payment of overhead. Just plenty issues. Yeah, nobody likes trouble. If all these demands are met, or if we sit on a round table with them and talk and marshal out how to solve these problems, we'll be fine. If you have been in FCT long enough, you know that this is the first time the FCT staff are embarking on a strike. We can agitate. There's even the agitation for on protest level. It's once in a very, very long time.